Welcome back, students. Tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. Let us see in this session. In this void means that is nothing but a vacant space that is called voids or a hollow space that is also called as a void. In closed packing spheres, certain hollows or voids are left vacant. So that is called holes or voids. That is in interstitial voids or interstitial set. For example, I will say this. If I want to sit to four students means one student sit here, second student, third student, and the fourth student, like that. You sit on the floor means you are sitting like this, like this square, like that shape you are sitting. Then I am asking the fifth boy to come and sit in front means he is not sitting, come and sit in front. He used to come and sit in between four boys means that space is called interstitial space. So between four atoms, one space is there. That space is called interstitial sites. So that created a hole is called interstitial voids or interstitial sites. So two important interstitial voids are there. That is tetrahedral void and octahedral voids. And tetrahedral voids are TB and octahedral voids are shortly called as a OB. Then closely packed structures, the empty space and triangular space in case of two-dimensional packing. That is, all the spheres lie in the same plane is called trigonal voids. Through atoms are there in the same plane that meeting to one another, it created an hole. It is called as a trigonal void. Next, three-dimensional space close packing pattern voids, that is tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. This tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids only found in a FCC, that is hexagonal primitive units. That voids are octahedral void and tetrahedral void. That form is 1n and 2n, 1n, 2n, because if it is a simple cubic, it carries only 1. So what for octahedral 1, octahedral, and 2 into 1, 2 tetrahedral void in simple cubic. Then if it is a face centered means it is 4. The effective number is 4 because that is 4 is called as the number of atoms present per unit cell. So what that is for a 4 means 4 into 1. It is a 4 octahedral void is formed in FCC, and that same 4 or 2 into 4, 8. Double the number of the effective number only will get it in a tetrahedral void. So 8 tetrahedral void will present in FCC. In BCC, it is a 2. The effective, I mean, that is the number. Effective number is called as a 2 because that is a number of atoms present in the per unit cell is called as a 2 for a BCC. So for octahedral void is 2 into 1, 2 octahedral void. 2 into 2, 4 octahedral void is present in the BCC. That is called same number of effective atom in a particular units is called as a 1n. Double the number of the effective atoms are present is called as a tetrahedral void. Let us see one example. For FCC, Z is equal to n. That is called number of atoms present per unit cell. So tetrahedral void is 2n formula, octahedral void is 1n formula. 2n, that is called effective atom means 4. So 2 into 4, 8. 8 voids in present in a tetrahedral. So tetrahedral void is 8. Then octahedral void is 4. So when 4 atoms are joined together in contact of 4 atoms, created a hole is called as a tetrahedral void. So 1, 2, 3, on the three atoms, 3 spheres, I kept one another atom. So that the center is called as a void, that is called as a tetrahedral void. So for example, in a cube, one corner of here, one corner, in this corner, one atom is touched with this face of this atom and touch with the another face of this atom and touch with the backside of the crystal atom. So totally 4 atoms are in a touch in contact means it created one hole is called as a tetrahedral void. So tetrahedral void is found between 4 atoms. In simple technique, I can say you in your NCERT book, you just see the figure 1 now. In this, you can see this type of diagram. That is nothing but this atom is opposite to this atom. This atom is opposite to this atom. And this atom is opposite to this. And this atom is opposite to this. So 4 atoms are in contact. It created a hole is called as a tetrahedral void. So this is another example. It is already given in your material. And in this cube, that is 4 corners of the atoms I have written at the below the corners. This one corner, Just I have written this corner atom I have written down, so that we have 8 corners, that is called tetrahedral voids or 8. Next, octahedral voids in FCC, that already I told you. In FCC, octahedral void is called a 4, that is the 4 effective atoms. I mean, 4 number of atoms are present per unit cell. So octahedral void 1n, so 4 into 1, 4 octahedral void. That 4 octahedral void is a BCC 1 and edge-centered is 3. So 1 plus 3, 4. So let us see how we got this BCC 1. Because at the center, body center is only 1. So that octahedral void is present at the body center by this face atom and this face atom. It touch the backside of the crystal atom and the front side of the crystal atom. 4 is in the touching on the top face, and this face or meet together. So what it is called as a one octahedral void is present because of 6 atoms. This 3 atoms will be present on this 3 is called as a octahedral void is present. So 6 atoms in contact produces void is called as a octahedral void. So what only one void is present, it is called body centered. Then edge centered. Now you see this one corner atom, this corner atom, and these 2 corner atoms are contact with the this face atom, and another cube is there. When you draw the cube, this is the another face of this cube. So it is meeting these 4 atoms, and then this is edge center, another cube, and this is the backside of the crystal. So this atom and this atoms are meeting in the edge. So what it produces, edge centered void. So that is nothing but each faces it, I mean ace edges 4 is there. So what we can return now, 12 into 1 by 4 equal to 3 edge centers, and that is 3 plus 1, 4. So what I have written here, one cube, I have written green colors or corner of the atom. Just below this corner, we have written the tetrahedral voids. So this is 8 tetrahedral voids in the corner 8. And this is called this one atom, and here one atom is there, means it's the diagonal length is called face diagonal. Now there is no void at all because it is not meeting any atoms. Now then next we should take this corner to this corner, that is called body is a touching. So what that is called body diagonal. Body diagonal has one octahedral void at the center, and this corner one tetrahedral void, and this corner atom, second corner atom is a tetrahedral void. So what in a body diagonal line has one octahedral and 2 tetrahedral voids. So what the type of voids in a face diagonal and body diagonal. Face diagonal, no voids at all, and body diagonal we have 2 tetrahedral voids due to 2 corner of the atoms. Thank you, students.